This is Svelte Bits. It's an open source and fully free library of 100 plus crazy looking animated components and backgrounds. If this looks familiar to you, that's probably because you've already seen React Bits, and now Svelte Bits is coming from the same creator, so he decided now to create awesome looking animated components also for Svelte. So let's check out the library and what we have here. So we have here different categories. First we have text animations, then we have animations, and after that components, and finally backgrounds. Now these backgrounds, this is the part which I love the most. So let's first see text animations. We have some pretty subtle animations here that are looking like this, which are giving basically life to your landing page or wherever you are with these components with text animations. We have this text type. We are seeing this more often now throughout the landing pages, like typing something and then like revealing different sentences. Then we have this shuffle. I love this one. I want to use this one on 8-bit. I think it would be pretty cool, and it is using that 8-bit font, which is pretty nice. Then we have the shiny text. So these are all like subtle animations which you can use basically on almost any app or website or landing page or whatever you want to call it. And we have some really sick, which are, for example, this one. Check out this one. This one is looking really good. Like imagine somebody comes to your landing page and you have something like this. I mean, this is something that is making your page memorable from the first sight. And that is really important. Then we have this scrambled text. This is really crazy. Like check out this one. When I go my mouse over the text, it's just like rotating, and it's really nice. This one also has pretty good effect. I must say that usage of this is not really something I cannot now imagine where would I use this one. It's mostly just to show off and to like have something cool on your page. Then we have this one. We've seen this one now on many apps, and we have this glitch text. Now this is something that is looking pretty modern, and I think that this can be used on many landing pages. Let's check now animations here. So we have animated content here, animate me. So I have to refresh in order to have this animated. You can see it's coming from the bottom to the top. This one is also pretty cool. It's subtle. It's not something too aggressive like the React Bits and Svelte Bits. We are used to something aggressive. So we have then electric border. Now this is aggressive. We have here, so you can see this electric effect, which is pretty cool, but it's not only that. Like check out this gradient that is happening also behind like this card right here. That's also giving that glow, and that's why I love this creator, David, the creator of Svelte Bits and React Bits, because he knows about the details in every component that he creates. And this is really important. This gradient behind is really important. And we have then orbit images. This is the first time I'm seeing this in my life, and it's pretty cool. I would say maybe these images should be rounded and not squared. Then it would be even cooler because it would look like some planets or something like that. This pixel transition is really nice. I love this one. I've seen this in React Bits before, and it's really nice. Then we have anti-gravity. Like check out this one. Like you put this on your landing page to follow your mouse. It's really, really cool. Then we have the glare hover. This is also pretty subtle and nice that you can put on almost any card for some pricing cards or something like that. That would be pretty cool. Logo loop, something we need always. Then this laser flow. Now this is really, really sick. And I created a video about this one. This is copied from one website that cost, I think, $27,000 or something like that. Of course, it was not only this animation, but it was a complete landing page with like animations like this. But this is something that is really crazy looking, and I love this one. I have to create something with this laser flow for sure. Then we have all these crazy cursors like this one, and also this gradual blur. Oh, this is not a cursor, this is just a blur here. Okay. And then metallic paint. This one is nice, and this is a logo of Svelte Bits. I'm not sure if this one is here a little bit like it's bitten here on the top side. Then we have noise, really nice. So these animations now, look at this splash cursor. Now it's becoming crazy. So we are going towards the crazy components. Let's check out now here what we have from these components right here. So these are, I think, again, a little bit more ordinary. So we have animated list, which we can just scroll down and we have list items that are popping up, which is pretty cool. Then we have this bubble menu, this one right here. And this is also really awesome. It's still not that aggressive like we used to with Svelte Bits, React Bits, but we are going there. Then this one, ooh, this is something that I really love. This is looking really sick. I cannot believe that this is not like in some kind of video game, that this is actually like web UI. Really crazy. I'm used to this only like in video games, this kind of menu. Then we have circular gallery, which is pretty cool. You probably know this one already from React Bits. Let's speed up a little bit. Glass surface, for example. Oh, this is now really, really sick. And you can see here really awesome like liquid glass effect. This is not like just a regular glass morphism. It's a little bit in between. It's not liquid, but it's not classic glass morphism. It is looking really awesome. Then we have this chroma grid, also pretty good looking. Then GUI nav, I love this one. You can see when I'm switching the nav, we have that GUI effect. Can you believe like that this is free? I'm telling you now, I'm showing you everything, and everything that you see here is free. You can just go here to code and put it in through the ShedCN registry and use it. I mean, it's really crazy that I'm showing you a free library right now. Then we have this border glow, and this is something that I have to use somewhere. I really love this one. This is similar like we had in that like gaming interface that I showed you. And let's show the counter. This is also something I haven't seen before as a component. I've seen this in some different apps and pages, but I've never seen a component like this. So this is really awesome looking. Like we have the counter that is animated and really looking good. And one more, let's check the infinite menu. So here we can just go through the menu like this. Now, I don't even like, if I had to create something like this, I don't know like where would I even start with this library. Really awesome. Nice. And now we are going to the heavy machinery. Let's check out this one. Now I would probably like comment out every background in here, but let's try to make like 10. So liquid ether, check out this one. I don't know, like this is something that is looking so good, and this is really crazy. I love this one. I love liquid ether. I use this on some of my projects. I can leave you the link in the description below where I used it. Then we have Prism. Like, check out this one. Like, imagine putting this on your landing page and users come and they see this Prism thingy. This is really looking awesome. Then we have, let's skip some, like light pillar. I also used this one on one of my projects. Of course, React Bits version. This is now the Svelte version. And you can customize each of these backgrounds. You can change the color, you can change whatever you want, and it is looking totally different when you change it. And David still didn't fix this thingy to close this window on a click out. So I'm not sure why am I not changing the color live. Maybe I need to click some submit. Maybe it's not working. Oh no, maybe it's the bottom color. Let's try out like this. No, it's not this one. Okay, so it's not working. Let's move on. We have silk. This is also looking really nice. Then we have pixel blast. Like all these backgrounds are so good. And my favorite one, of course, I'm OrcDev, so it has to be the evil eye of Sauron. And you can see that it is following my mouse. Wherever I go, this eye of Sauron is following my mouse. I really love this one. I like, where could I put this? Give me ideas. Where could I put the eye of Sauron on my orcdev.com? I really want to use this component background right here. Then we have the radar, and I also love this one. Although I would put a little bit more details in this radar. I will probably put that circling thing and something actually on this radar, like, you know, like dots, something funny here. Then we have these auroras. I love these auroras, and I think this is really, if you don't want anything like really crazy, you can put this aurora like this. I think it's really awesome. Then now there are so many backgrounds here. I would love to show you all of them. Like, we have these gradient blinds. This is something also that I really love. This is looking really awesome. Then we have, I know this, where is it? Is it orb? Yeah, orb is looking really good. And I saw this orb on many places, actually. I think this is one of the most used, I mean, not maybe most used, but I've seen this orb really a lot on many apps and websites. And we have, I just want to show one more, and that's the ball pit. And I'm showing you this one because this is something really so unique. Like, we have real physics inside of the browser. So check out what happens when I move my mouse. Like, we are moving all these balls, and we have like, we can play a game literally inside of our landing page. And I really love that David now changed everything, and we have here like a nav bar with CTA buttons and all these things here, so we can see actually how does it look when you put it on a real landing page. And I really love it when it's shown like this. Overall, I think this is the best animation library for Svelte currently, and I want to ask you something for a favor. Go here to the GitHub, give David a star. It has only 103 stars. Oh, you cannot see it because it's hidden right here. It has only 103 stars. That's really crazy for a project like this. I'd really love to see here at least 10,000 stars, because this is really crazy. Giving like these kind of components for free, that's something like really rare in these days. So check out Svelte Bits, build something with it, give me your feedback below. I'd really love to know what are you building with these kind of components, and if you have some ideas also for me, that would be really appreciated. And for more content like this, join the mighty horde, subscribe.